Next example, each root of x square minus bx plus c equal to 0 is decreased by 2. The resulting equation is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then find b and c values. Okay, here given one quadratic equation, its roots are decreased by 2. Then we get new quadratic equation. Okay, here we have to find b and c values. Okay, so given quadratic equation, x square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, according to the question, each root of this quadratic equation is decreased by 2. Okay, we know quadratic equation in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Okay, this equation we have already discussed in polynomials, quadratic polynomials. Okay, so compare these two equations. Here alpha and beta are alpha comma beta are roots of quadratic polynomial, roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so alpha plus beta x quotients, alpha plus beta equal to b and alpha into beta. Compare these two equations. Alpha into beta equal to c. Okay, sum of the roots equal to b and product of roots equal to c. Okay, according to question, each root is decreased by 2. It means here alpha and beta roots, each root is decreased by 2. Alpha minus 2 comma beta minus 2. Then we get new quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, new quadratic equation is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. When we get this equation, first quadratic equation roots are decreased by 2. Then we get new quadratic equation. Okay, it means we know quadratic equation in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay, so here sum of roots equal to minus 2 and product of roots equal to 1. Okay, here roots are new roots, alpha minus beta, sum of the roots equal to minus 2, alpha minus 2, beta minus 2, which is equal to sum of the roots equal to 2 and product of the roots alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Alpha plus beta from equation 1, alpha plus beta minus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4 equal to 2. Alpha plus beta, we know alpha plus beta equal to value is b. Okay, this value equal to b minus 4 equal to 2. b equal to minus 4 comes to this side, it will become plus 2 plus 4. b value 6. Okay, next equation, this is equation 2. From equation 2, alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2 equal to 1. Alpha into beta, alpha beta, minus 2 into beta, minus 2 beta, alpha into minus 2 alpha minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 equal to 1. Okay, alpha beta, we know alpha beta value is C. Okay, C, here minus 2 is common, alpha plus beta plus 4 equal to 1. Okay, C minus 2 into alpha plus beta is B. Okay, plus 4 equal to 1. Okay, C minus 2 into B value, here B value equal to 6. Okay, here B equal to 6, alpha plus beta equal to B, alpha into beta equal to C. Okay, C equal to 2 into 6, C minus 12 plus 4 equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to minus 12 plus 4, C minus 8 equal to 1, C equal to minus 8 comes to this side plus 8, which is equal to C value 9. Okay, here we get C value 9 and B value 6. Okay, is it clear? Next question. If 1 by 2 is a root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equal to 0, then the value of k is. Okay, here given quadratic equation is x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Okay, and given condition 1 by 2 is the one of the root of the quadratic equation. Okay, here 1 by 2 is one of the root of this quadratic equation. It means 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, substitute in the quadratic equation, 1 by 2 whole square plus k into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4, k by 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Here take LCM, LCM is 4, 1 place, in denominator 2, so multiply with 2, minus 5 equal to 0, 1 plus 2k minus 4 equal to 0 into 4, 0 into anything 0, here 2k plus 1 minus 5, which is equal to minus 4. So 2k minus 4 equal to 0, 2k equal to plus 4, k equal to 4 by 2, 2 ones 2 2s. Here we get k value 2. Okay.